This video shows some of the work of Bunya Country Aboriginal Corporation on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, which was documented during research on Indigenous land management in urban and peri-urban landscapes. Bunya have been managing the lands and waters of the Maroochy River for generations. They're an award-winning group of Kabi traditional owners, South Sea Islanders, and historically connected Aboriginal people. The Maroochy, or Mirumcoochie, is a sacred river to Kabi peoples. From here, they can see the old people of their dreamings, like Mount Coolum and Nindari. Many mangroves were cleared along this river to grow sugarcane. Much of this farming land has since been abandoned or replaced with residential developments. The increased light availability from clearing has made it easier for weeds to establish and spread. Bank erosion is also a problem, and something that Bunya have been trying to mitigate. They propagate mangroves and other saltwater plants in situ on their traditional land, and plant them at vulnerable sites along the river. Members of Bunya regularly monitor the quality of water in the river. Water quality has deteriorated in some places due to land use change and polluted runoff entering the river. These trips are also an opportunity to monitor wildlife and potential hazards like discarded fishing line. One animal of particular importance to Bunya's work is the native water mouse, which is classified as a vulnerable species. The mouse is a nocturnal animal and builds its nest in mangrove and saltwater couch habitat. Encroaching urban development threatens places of cultural and environmental value to Bunya. Members remember these parts of the Malula River as mudflats. Now they feature man-made canals with multi-million-dollar homes. Upstream are mangrove islands and potential habitat for the mouse. Bunya have been asked to look for it here. However, changed conditions mean the nests are very hard to find. Other animals can be found though. The structure of mangroves provide good bank stability and serve as a defense against storm surges and flooding. However, this same structure also traps litter and debris, which enter the mangroves with the rising tides. An important part of Bunya's work is to cultivate cultural and environmental awareness among other land users, particularly the younger generation, because caring for country is everyone's business.
Not even 100 years for this place to be developed so much. People haven't got really much time for the environment. You ask the old people, when this place gets sick or Mother Nature gets sick, we all start to get sick.